Today I'm teaching you plank posture. And plank posture is all about strength and endurance, stability, and core. What's really good about plank is that you can do it on your forearms or you can do it on straight arms. I think as we grow older, it's just really natural to lose upper body strength. And like I say, if you can't do it on full arms because you have wrist troubles or elbow troubles, even tendonitis, or even shoulder troubles, you can do it on your forearms because it is all about the core. And when we think about the core in yoga, it's not just these stomach muscles down here. It's actually like the core of an apple. It's the whole center of your body. It's all the musculature that's close to the spine. And in plank pose, we actually really use the whole core. So let's just jump right in and give it a try. The posture of the hands is quite crucial. To turn the hands slightly in and to pull the elbows towards one another. Just try that for me right away. I want you to feel the whole upper body kind of pulls in on itself. So come onto your hands and knees for me. The heels of the hands just underneath your shoulders, the elbows pulled in, the arms super straight, and walk your knees back. And then maybe even walk back a little bit further so that you can already feel that your core is engaged. Now tuck the toes under, take your inhale breath. And as you exhale, straighten the legs, lift your knees up. Good, let's do it again. Put your knees on the floor, inhale. And as you exhale, push through the heels as you straighten the legs and pull the belly up and really stand strong on your arms. Stay there. Let's try it on the forearms. Walk your knees back. Your hands can be interlaced. You're on your elbows. Take your inhale breath. And as you exhale, lift your knees up. Whether you're on your forearms or whether you're on straight arms, you can always keep your knees on the floor. But let's try it with the chair because you can learn a lot with the chair. All right, so let's get the position of the hands correct. The index fingers pointing towards one another, the elbows pulling in. Really super straight arms, stepping the legs back, lifting the head, and pushing your chest forward to the top of the chair. Take your inhale breath there. And as you exhale, move the hips back a little bit until you can sort of get a sense of when you're in alignment. You want to be in one long straight line. So the common mistake in plank pose, remember this pose is about stability, so you don't want to wiggle around. You want to find the place where you're stable and stay there and feel the strength of the pose. Even if you're moving your knees to the floor and lifting them, the upper body does not move. So there's no wiggling around, there's no sagging of the hips, and there's no halfway to down dog. It's really like a push-up position. The other common mistake is to have the shoulders up around the ears when you're doing the posture. And this is just practice, it's just the practice of pushing the chest forward so that you can get your shoulders down the back, even when you're in a posture like this. See how lifted the chest is? Now I can draw my head in line with the spine, but the chest is still lifted so that I can pull my shoulders back. Every breath counts. Do the posture with breath.